WordPress is the most popular platform in the world for creating websites. But although it is adopted by millions of users, creating and publishing a website using only WordPress is not an easy task for beginners. In addition to all the work required for setting up, hosting, and installing WordPress on your servers, you also need to worry about plugins that you need to install to create your website. And in the case of agencies, you still need to keep in mind the management of several servers and accounts. With the complete builder-all solution for WordPress, you have your WordPress up and running on your service with just a few clicks. But unlike other similar applications, with our system, you have full control of your service as well as a way to scale the number of servers on your accounts, allowing you to set up your website agency. There's simply no easier way for you to have a scalable and professional WordPress installation. But then you ask yourself, how do I create a website with WordPress after installation? What plugins do I use? What site builder do I buy? You can use any of the native or WordPress builders that are sold separately, or you can use the full potential of the most complete and powerful platform in the world to build your websites with our Cheetah website builder for WordPress. An exclusive solution that Builder has developed for those who want to use WordPress structure but are looking for a website builder that is more intuitive, faster, and has more templates available with more resources. And unlike other builders, you can use Cheetah website builder for WordPress with full access without having to purchase licenses for each website you're going to build. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.